Imagine a life where you're in control of your money, making wise decisions, and achieving your dreams. That's the power of financial literacy. It empowers you to break free from financial stress, make informed choices, and pave the way to a brighter future. In today's fast-paced world, understanding how to manage your money effectively is more important than ever. So, let's explore the incredible possibilities that financial literacy brings. Welcome to First Self-Educate, where we strive to educate ourselves on succeeding in our finances and personal lives, a comprehensive guide. In this video, we will discuss on the power of financial literacy and how it can empower your financial future. You will also be equipped with the essential knowledge and skills to make informed financial decisions. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your financial prowess, this guide has got you covered. So, let's dive right in. Understanding of financial literacy. To start our discussion, let's define financial literacy. Financial literacy refers to the knowledge and skills required to manage personal finances effectively. Understanding financial literacy is crucial for achieving financial well-being. It helps individuals take control of their money, avoid costly mistakes, and achieve their financial goals. Financial literacy empowers you to manage your money effectively and make informed financial decisions, whether it's planning for retirement, buying a home, starting a business, or investing in building a secure financial future. Let's explore the key aspects of financial literacy. 1. Budgeting. Budgeting is like a compass that guides your financial decisions. It's one of the fundamental aspects of financial literacy. Creating a budget is the foundation of financial success. It involves tracking your income and expenses, understanding where your money goes, and planning your spending. By creating a budget, you gain a clear picture of your financial situation, identify areas for improvement, and allocate funds toward your goals. 2. Saving and investing. Saving and investing are like seeds that grow into a prosperous future. Saving and investing are essential components of financial literacy. Saving involves setting aside a portion of your income for future needs and emergencies. Saving helps you build an emergency fund, cover unexpected expenses, and work towards short-term goals. Investing, on the other hand, is about putting your money to work for you to generate growth or income over time. It involves putting money into assets such as stocks, bonds, real estate, or mutual funds to generate long-term growth or income, allowing your money to grow and work for you over the long term. Getting financial education lets you understand the power of compound interest and diversifying your investments so that you are able to achieve your financial goals. 3. Debt management. Debt can be a major obstacle to financial stability. Debt management is important because it enables individuals to effectively handle their debts and avoid financial stress. Understanding how to manage and pay off debt is crucial. Financially literate individuals are aware of different types of debt, interest rates, and repayment terms. They develop strategies to minimize debt, pay bills on time, prioritize high-interest debt repayment, and avoid excessive debt burdens. By effectively managing debt, you can reduce financial stress and improve your overall financial health. 4. Basic financial products. Financial products encompass knowledge of checking and savings accounts, credit cards, loans, insurance policies, and investment vehicles. Being financially literate enables you to understand the features, costs, and risks associated with these financial products to enable individuals to make informed decisions that align with their financial goals and avoid unnecessary fees or risks. 5. Insurance and risk management. Protecting yourself and your assets is crucial. Risk management involves identifying and mitigating financial risks. Adequate insurance coverage, such as health, life, auto, and home insurance, protects individuals from unforeseen events. Financial literacy includes understanding different insurance types, evaluating individual needs, and making informed decisions about coverage. It helps individuals safeguard their finances and protect their assets. 6. Retirement planning. Retirement planning is a critical aspect of financial literacy because it allows individuals to prepare for their post-working years. It involves setting financial goals for retirement, understanding retirement accounts and investment options, making regular contributions to build a retirement nest egg, and creating a strategy to accumulate enough savings to sustain a desired lifestyle during retirement. Financially literate individuals start planning early, take advantage of retirement savings vehicles like 401(k), and IRAs and adjust their strategies as needed. Starting early enables an individual to take advantage of compounding and can significantly impact their retirement savings significantly. Planning ahead and regularly reviewing the strategy is key to a comfortable and financially secure future. 7. Tax planning. Taxes can significantly impact your financial situation. We'll guide you through the basics of tax planning, including understanding tax brackets, deductions, credits, and tax-advantaged accounts. Financial goal setting. Goal setting is a fundamental aspect of financial literacy because it provides direction and motivation. Being financially literate enables you to set clear, specific, and measurable financial goals, both short-term and long-term, and helps individuals stay focused on their objectives. These goals may include paying off debt, saving for a house, or starting a business. By setting specific targets and developing action plans, individuals can make better financial decisions and stay focused on achieving their desired outcomes. Financial literacy can come with its own set of challenges. Complex financial jargon, changing economic conditions, and a lack of awareness can make it overwhelming. However, by starting with the basics, seeking guidance, and staying committed to learning, you can overcome these challenges and improve your financial literacy. Remember, financial literacy is a lifelong learning process. Continuously educate yourself, stay updated with financial news, seek advice from professionals, and apply your knowledge to make sound financial decisions. Small steps taken today can lead to significant financial rewards in the future. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and inspired you to embark on your own financial literacy journey and take charge of your financial well-being and financial future. Stay tuned for more valuable insights and tips on managing your finances. Until next time.